my beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I have 8 amazing game-changing jean hacks for you all. Hope you find this video helpful, and let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I've noticed being a jean lover is that low-waist jeans always make my torso look very short, my stomach big and unattractive, especially if you're a mom like me. Low-waist jeans don't just cut it for me, but meanwhile on the other hand, high-waist jeans are just my favorites. They help tuck in the stomach and also helps contour and give the waist and body a very nice shape. So if you find yourself in a situation where you want to buy a jean but don't know your size or don't have the time to fit the jean, simply put the jean on your neck. Make sure the ends are barely touching each other. If they totally cover your neck or too close to the ends, that means it will be an oversize. Just make sure they are barely touching, but then at the same time they snug your neck. That's a simple trick to find your jean size. This trick works each time I use it, and if you have an oversized jean, simply put it in a Ziploc bag and toss it into the refrigerator. Leave it overnight and bring it out in the morning. You can let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes to make sure it's not cold. Once you put it on, you will find that the jean automatically fits. This also works during the winter weather. The cold shrinks the thread and seam on the jean and makes it perfectly fit. So if you're a gum lover, this hack is definitely for you. The most simple and fast way to remove gum stuck on your jean, rug or anywhere at all is to use ice cubes. Simply place the ice on the area, allow it to melt for about 1 to 2 minutes, remove the ice and simply peel off the gum. It will come off immediately without any leftover. Okay, you guys know a simple tee and jean can be boring at times, but tucking the shirt halfway into your jean gives it an instant lift. It immediately makes the outfit look 100 times better. Also, you can tie the shirt in the front, back or the side of your jean. It instantly, it makes the whole outfit pop. This next hack is my favorite. I've found myself buying a jean that is oversized, maybe because I love it or the price is reasonably affordable. So to resize the waist of your jean, all you need is an elastic band, needle and thread and a seam ripper. Simply check the closest belt strap on the back of the jean and then make sure you try to separate the inner and outer material on the waist to ensure you don't cut through the outside of the jean. Just eyeball where the belt strap is located from the inside and then use a seam ripper to rip exactly on the belt strap direction. Once you open it to the size of the elastic band, use a safety pin to attach on the elastic band. This ensures you can easily push through the fabric hole from the inside and then begin pushing through from one side to the next. I had an obstruction with a company label on the jean and all I did was use a razor to cut it off and continue. Once I'm able to pull the elastic from the two ends, I will draw the elastic band to make sure it will give me a strong hold when I finally put on the jean and then cut. After that, I simply sew the two ends down and that's it. Oh my gosh, can you guys see the difference the elastic band made? Amazing. Alright, so we all have that one jean that tries to frustrate us, especially maybe we added few pounds or pregnant. So to make your favorite jean still fit in the waist, all you need is a hairband or rubber band. Simply attach it to the buttonhole, tuck it inside and then bring it out from the other end and then attach the hairband to the button. That simply solves the problem. And of course, don't forget to use a lint remover to remove any dirt or lint on your jean. And this simply completes this video, loves. Hope you all enjoyed, and please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.